What is this? OMG. Can you see? Hey everyone. I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. I'm about to unbox the July 2026 Allure Beauty Box. But first, let's talk about the condition of the box. First, I don't blame Allure. United States Postal Service, I think, or whoever delivered this to me, WTF. What'd you do? Step on it and then go, oops, and then take a bunch of tape? Something felt sticky, and it better not be a product that came in this box. Normally, I take the tape off or edit it out and then share with you, but for posterity or insert vocab word that describes this moment, I want to get it on camera as proof if something is broken and or stolen. What if a postal worker like reached in and grabbed the good one and then taped it up? Okay, we have 1, I'm trying not to look, 2, 3, there should be 6 products in here at least, 4, 5, ooh, spoiler alert, and 6. Sorry for being so dramatic, but sometimes you need proof if you contact customer service. All right, back to my normal video. So the Allure Beauty Box costs $30 a month now. However, if you subscribe like 3 months, 6 months, a year at a time, you do get a discount. If you're interested, I do have a code down below which will save you, I believe, $10 off your first box. I will get some credit that I never use in the store. So if you don't like that, that's fine. Go use somebody's code so you can save yourself some money. All right, the booklet will have the prices of the full-size products. Enough rambling, let's get started. So the little spoiler is this first one that I saw. This is from Mighty Patch, and it's the original. I was excited. Was it in the Walmart box? I got some patches. I don't get acne very often, but when I do, it's a big old deep honker that will last on my face like 2+ weeks, and these come in handy. I haven't had to buy any on my own, so it's nice to get them in a box. How many do we get? Oh, only 6 patches. I say only because I could go through 6 with 1 honker. All right, that is, at least for me, a nice little sample to get in the box. All right, next product. This feels weird. Oh, no, don't be what I think you are. Okay, so this is, I don't know, from a brand. I can't see. It says Looped Just For You. Oh, TIY, is that the brand? It says you are about to experience the best hair tie of your life. That's what it felt like to me. I have nothing to tie. Therefore, no. But I know a lot of you have long hair and you would appreciate such a thing. My 17, or did she turn 18? And 16-year-old nieces, I'm sure, would love that. All right, let's see what that retails for. Oh, and then lucky for me, the Mighty Patch, which I forgot to read, is on the same page. Okay, so the TIY pre-tied hair ties. What? Pre-tie? What does that mean? Don't know, don't care. It retails for $17 for a 2-pack. I think this is a 1-pack. I don't know. And then the Mighty Patch retails for $13 for 36 patches. That's pretty good price. And we get 6, as I said before. All right, let's try to find something that is bigger than a foil pack. Is this bigger? Not by much. Okay, without even opening it, this is a sponge. And it has white writing on a white to opaque see-through plastic bag, which cannot read. And then, ooh, my favorite color. Can you even see it now? No, it's black. I own a lot of sponges and rarely go through them. I'm not mad because it is something I will use, but did I really need it? No. Okay. So this is from GLOAT, and it's non-latex foam, and you can save money with a 20% code Allure20. Man, they are just pimping out this stuff. I swear the items in the box are given to Allure for the free promotion. Not free. They're paying for it via products instead of money. Allegedly, or my speculation, don't quote me, but that's my conspiracy theory. Okay, enough rambling. By the way, I am filming this midweek, and you get extra, I don't want to say cranky, but just raw Julie. Yeah, it's raw Wednesday when I'm filming this. Okay, this is $12. Really? I can get like a 3-pack for that price, or even less, maybe $8. It's a 6-pack. It's been a while at Shop Miss A, and it's a little bigger and just about the same. Do I have one? Yeah, here we go. Shop Miss A. They are identical except for the color. $12 for one, or $8 to $12 for 6. You decide. All right, I'm grateful. I will use it. Sorry, I'm a little extra raw today. All right, next item. What are you? Oh, yeah, as expected. I saw the font that they use. This is from Earth Harbor. They're kind of a frequent flyer within the beauty subscription realm. This is a product called Obscura, and it's a night repair concentrate. The theme for July is interesting. Again, my favorite color is black. Seems like it'd be more appropriate for, I don't know, October and Halloween. Interesting. It's black. Is it going to stain my face? I will report back. Okay. Here we have the 5th product, Biotech Blowout, and it's Goddess. Never heard of that brand. It says Goddess Biotech Blowout. Is this something for your hair, maybe? I can't read that text, so we're going to the booklet. Oh, I forgot to mention how much that last product costs. I should not be filming. There's a lot going on in my life. But I gotta get the Allure box out as soon as possible. Okay, so the Obscura retails for $38, which for a night serum, pretty standard. Okay, and the Goddess Maintenance Biotech Blowout Hair Mask. Okay, yes. The clues were there. I had suspicion it was something for the hair. Okay. It retails for, no, shut the front door, $40 for 50 ml. Okay, now I'm not a hair product girly because my hair's short and I get it cut way too frequently. That seems tiny for that price point. I think I'm spending too much if it's $20 for like a big thing of something from Costco. But let me know if you buy products this size and pay $40. No judgment if you do. Just, whew, thank goodness my hair is really short. All right. And then the last product, which we got to select our shade. And I'm super excited because I don't own it. This is from Makeup by Mario. And it's his liquid bronzer. I love his cream bronzer. But I'm excited to try a liquid. This, hopefully, the shade, there we go. Let's get the lighting better. It looks a little dark. Which shade did I pick? Sometimes if I'm self-tanned and, you know, wearing a lot of bronzer, I look in the mirror and I think, yeah, I can go darker. Hopefully that wasn't the case because I'm delusional at times. All right, what shade is this? Light. Sometimes, though, when we get to choose a shade, we don't get the whole range. So maybe light was the lightest shade they had to offer. Okay, let's do a quick little swatch. And okay, yeah, looks a little darker in the bottle. Okay, that's fine. I don't know how I feel about a liquid bronzer now. The cream is nice. You can just put your brush or draw it on and pounce it out. This seems like you'll have to put it on the back of your hand, take your brush. Not that anything's wrong with that, but not as lazy girl friendly as others. But, okay, yeah. So that is light enough. At least it looks lighter on the back of my hand than it did in the bottle. All right, let me know if you'd like to see me do a full try-on of that product. And before I forget, this retails for $36. So this alone paid for the box. All right, let's recap everything I got in the June 2026 Allure Beauty Box. We got a makeup sponge by GLOAT, a Biotech Blowout hair mask from Goddess Maintenance, some pre-tied hair ties from TIY, a 6-pack of the Mighty Patch Originals from Hero, the Obscura Night Repair Concentrate from Earth Harbor, and the Softsculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum from Makeup by Mario. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I've had worse boxes, but not many. It's not horrible, but there are 2 products I will never use. And this one is just okay. Will I use it at some point in my life? Yes. Is it fantastic and made me excited? No. I was, however, excited over a little sample just because I don't buy these. And so I love getting them in boxes. This one's intriguing. I don't know. It being black kind of scares me. Although I do enjoy a night serum. And this is the one product that just paid for the box. Cost $36. I was always curious, but I never pulled the trigger. So it paid for my July box. Earlier, did I say the June box? It's the July box. Man, this year's flying. All right. If anyone's curious, I'm going to list the MSRP total values this month. There are 2 in the $30 range. No, one was $40. I'm going to say it's like $130-ish. So you do get a good value. It is a risk when you subscribe to a beauty subscription that you're going to love and enjoy every single product. But in my opinion, if you can find at least 2 products you use that cover the price of the box, it's worth it. That's the girl math I do. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, which is right about there, is free to do. It's easy, and it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.